Hello, I'm Rachel Huggins with Remax Alpine Realty, and I'm standing outside of Distinctive's home, 425 Stewart Creek Close in beautiful Canmore, Alberta. Here I'll be doing live open house tours, so you can join me on Zoom from the comfort of your own home to tour this beautiful single family dwelling with a legal suite in the basement, backing onto Forest Reserve and looking out onto Three Sisters Mountain. You'll find the dates and times and Zoom link in realtor.ca under the listing 425 Stewart Creek Close. The information will also be attached to this video. Please feel free to reach out to me at any time with any of your questions. My phone number is right there on the open house sign, and as well you can find my information on my website hugsandhomes.com, which will be connected to this video as well. I look forward to seeing you at the open house. Bye.